language. So now, this is the program. I think it is much better if we look at the program here in Notepad. Okay. Kasi ning ipadaplin ha. Pwede natin iparaan. Okay. So here, laro pa ninyo sa inyong screen. So, in our slide, we said we're going to need a variable amount and the original amount. Okay. And then we make a copy para every time we update, di siya mawala. So we also need a variable to hold how many 50 peso bill you need, how many 20 peso bill you need, how many 10 peso coin, how many 5 peso coin, and how many 1 peso coin. So the first thing that our program will ask is to enter the amount. So that's why we have there the statement, enter a whole number, amount from 1 to 99 pesos, and I will find the combination of bills and coins. That equals that amount of change. Okay, so we use the scanner class to get input from our keyboard. Okay, and then here atong giread pila ang amount na suklionon. So, and then this line, we just make a copy of the amount. Store na to siya. There is a variable nga original amount. So, this time, we can safely update the variable amount without worrying na unsa kay itong original nga amount kay na naman, na-save naman nato na. Okay? So, to determine, bila ka buok 50 peso na bill sa sulod sa 1 to 99. So, we divide the amount by, of course, 50. And then, dibayingon ta sa to ang in our algorithm, we said na in step 2, we will, what's this? Step 3 na, no? Find the maximum number of 50 peso in the amount. So, actually, that is done by dividing the amount by 50. And then, so that's why in the code here, you have division by 50. This is how you find the maximum amount of 50 that you can give. Then afterwards, ato naman i-subtract ang, okay, subtract the value of the 50 peso from the amount. So subtracting that is done using this command. Okay? Amount gets amount percent 50. Meaning, gikuhaan na to og 50 because actually, diri man god, ang hitabo is 1 to 99 naman gud siya. So sure ta nga isa ra gyud ka 50, di ba? So mao na siya nga ato lang gikuha ang remainder. So we divide the amount by 50, ang remainder automatically mo na lang to ang mabilin. Okay? So mo na nabilin ang if the input was 73, so 73 divided by 50 modulo 50 will definitely give you 23 kay mo man siya ang remainder. So mo nang bago nga value sa ato ang amount. So next, we determine po, di ba, number 5 is repeat the last two steps for 20, 10, 5, and 1 peso. And so you will notice here nga ang next na to nga step is we divide the amount. Ang 20 VHP is divide na to by 20 ang amount. Whatever is the result of that will be the number of 20 peso nga pwede ni mo ma-sukli. Okay? And then next, sorry wala to gito yung dulit akong naong. Sakit akong lubot og nilingkod sa chair. So next is we will subtract pila tong 20 nga amount, pila ka buok 20 amount. So ato na lang gikuha ang remainder. Okay? And then next is ang 10 na pod. Kung naay 10, ihatag niya pila ka buok 10. Ang next ana is 5. And then ang 1 peso will be kung pila na lang ang nabilin. Okay? After you extract the amount of 5. Okay? So and then afterwards, atong gi-output, di ba? The original amount and how many for each of the bill and the coins. So the question is, correct na ba gyud ka ni siya for all amounts under 100 up to 99? So let's see, marag nakita na ako, wala na ako siya na-check sa I think I think it really works. Okay. So let's go to the yan pala. I forgot to put the change view. Sige, anyway, let me do this again. Ilan na ka-minutes to? Okay. So, kanina mga steps, in these steps, we are figuring out how many 50 peso bill. And then this one, more ni siya ang katong subtract the amount nga 50 after ni mo na-determine pila ka 50. So, it's equivalent to just getting the remainder. Okay? And then next, pila na put ka 20, then we get the remainder. Mo na lang to ang nabili na amount kaya na-subtract na nato ang 20. Okay? And so on until niabot ta sa 1. So, let's try running this program. So from the prompt, you will see this is change maker. And then let's run the program. Sige, let's input katong 73. So ang 73, you have isa ka 1 peso, isa ka 20 peso, og tulo ka 1 peso. That's like 73. Okay. So I think that works. So let's have another input. Shall we say it's 96? So ang 96 is isa ka 50 peso, duha ka 20, so that's 40, right? Isa ka 5 peso, so that is 5, and then isa ka 1 peso, that's 96. Okay. About another one, shall we say, what if you have 11? So isa ka 10 peso o isa ka 1 peso. What if we have 27? So you have isa ka 20, isa ka 5, duha ka 1 peso. Okay? So that's for our vending machine.